Hello everyone, today we're going to make everyone's favorite street food, that's Panipuri. I'll show you how to make the spicy water and masala. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. To make the water, I have taken 1 cup of coriander leaves, 3/4 cup of mint leaves, 2 inch of ginger, 6 green chillies. The chilies I have are spicy. On a scale of 10, it will give a spiciness of 7. If you prefer more spicy, you can add more chilies. Add water and grind into a paste. Using a strainer, we will strain this mixture. We're going to add chilled water. Then press with a spoon to extract all the flavor. Repeat the process until your desired quantity for the water is reached. I used about 1200 ml of cold water. Keep aside the leftover mixture, do not throw away. To give an extra flavor, I'm adding 1 spoon of this coriander mint mixture in the water. Now adding 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and mix everything together. Now add 2 teaspoons of any ready-made Panipuri masala. I usually use whatever packet that comes with the ready-made puris. This is what came with the puri, so I use this. Now taste the water and adjust any of the masalas as per your taste preference. I wanted a little more spicy, so I added 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want more tangy, then you can add amchur powder or tamarind pulp as well. Our water is ready. Now let's make the masala. I have boiled 5 medium-sized potatoes and 1 cup of black chickpeas in salt and water. Mash the potatoes. To it, add the boiled black chickpea, 1 teaspoon of black salt or add as desired, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, adding 3 tablespoons of the strained chili, mint and coriander mixture. Mix everything together. You can always taste and adjust the amount of black salt and red chili flakes. Our pani puri masala and water is ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.